Hi all, as you can see I'm going to do the cabin filter in my Astra J 1.7, so I'll get cracking. So first of all, what I've done here is just pluck out the door seal. Try not to do too much, don't go too much out, just enough so you can access this piece of plastic or trim. So basically you just go ahead and just pry it out. Should be easy enough. And then you're going to be faced with one screw here. That's what we basically wanted to access, and also one is in this corner, left corner, one is here, and one is in the bottom hole there. I have actually taken this one out because it's kind of awkward taking it out on the camera. I'll try the electric screwdriver. You need your 7mm. I'll try and show you there. Yeah, so it's your 7mm hex screws they are. I'll start from this corner here. Yeah, this one then. And then what you do is you just basically have all the screws in there. One is still there, it's alright, and you can just go and try to pull out the glove box. And just to show you, there's your fuse box, which is also accessible from one of the small compartments, and there is your panel filter area. You can, if you want, you can undo the connector here as well, just by pressing the tab on the side. Yeah, it's a bit awkward. Just get it out here for the minute, like that. There it is. So the next thing I'm going to do is, not focusing now. Yeah, there are two tabs on the side. You just pull and it just comes out. And also on this side, this one is going to be awkward, but just go from the bottom, so like this. Just go from the bottom and just going to pry it out. The cover will open up, and as you can see, it's kind of the original filter they had. I think I have this car for 2 years and I haven't changed it, I'm going to be very honest, so I presume it was never changed before either. I'm going to use a screwdriver to kind of pry it out. Yeah, you see the condition, and you can see the arrow as well. It's pointing downwards for the airflow, so you have to keep that in mind. Just assess the condition of the thing. As you can see, there's loads of stuff in there, so get rid of that. And try to get our new filter out. I know this is not an OEM one or anything, but as I'm going to be changing more often now, and I'm not too worried about OEM stuff. Once it's changed and once it's changed and it's fresh, so it should do the job. So just go ahead and insert it, press it in. This is not as good, you can tell, like, but should be able to do the job anyway. So this tab is kind of stuck on the back, so just push it up. And there you guys are a small maybe. Shouldn't matter anyway. Just close it back up. And that's about it really. And just go ahead and do the steps in reverse. Plug this back in there. And also this is a kind of way to show as well, you can change your interior light this way. And just basically, so I'll try and show you there now if I can. You just basically push it up like this, and this kind of usually goes in place, and you can screw them in while holding it in place. And I know it was a bit rough video, but I wanted to make it quick. I hope it helps somebody out there. Once I do the fuel filter and stuff, I'll put the video up as well. Make sure to check the other videos, give it a like if it helped you, and subscribe to the channel for more good videos to come. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in some other videos.